Yesterday was our last day in the Paris area, and today we are traveling to Switzerland. So on the drive, we stopped and got food, and this was the kids' meal dessert. It's very good. French popsicles are much better than American popsicles. This one has Pop Rocks on the top.
You know the problem. Dad wants to talk to you.
Can you hear them popping? I hope so. It's really good. Ausfahrt. We're in Germany. Ausfahrt. Ausfahrt. Germany, Germany, Germany. So good and salty.
You must cut those sweet swings. How we have and this one here is pick up the crap. Pick up the crap.
Why is the flash on?
I don't know, it's your phone.
Bye bye. End of vlog. There's something. All the usual crap. Bye bye.